Hey everyone, volume is the fuel that moves the market, and seeing it clearly on your charts is essential for confirming trends and identifying reversals. In 2026, TradingView makes it incredibly simple to add and customize this data. Here is how you can see volume the right way. Step 1. Accessing the indicator menu. We're starting at the top toolbar of your chart. We're heading to the Indicators button, usually labeled as Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies. We do this because volume is treated as a technical indicator that needs to be toggled on. Click the Indicators icon at the top center of your screen. A search window will pop up. Type volume into the search bar. Click on the built-in volume indicator. It will instantly appear as a histogram at the bottom of your chart. Step 2. Customizing the volume bars. Now we're in the volume settings. We're heading to the Style tab. We do this to ensure the volume bars are easy to read and match your chart's color scheme. Hover over the vol label in the top left of your chart legend and click the Settings gear icon. Under the Style tab, you can change the colors for volume up, bullish, and volume down, bearish. You can also adjust the opacity so the bars don't distract you from the price action, or change the growing and falling colors to highlight significant spikes. Step 3. Adding the volume moving average. We're heading back into the volume settings, but this time we're looking at the Inputs tab. We do this because raw volume can be noisy. Adding a moving average helps you identify above average activity. Check the box that says Volume MA. Most traders use a length of 20 to see the average volume over the last month of trading days. A smooth line will appear over your volume bars. When a bar closes above this line, it signals institutional participation, making the move more reliable. Step 4. Understanding vertical versus horizontal volume. We're finishing with a look at the left sidebar. While standard volume is vertical, time-based, professionals often use horizontal volume, volume profile. We do this to see exactly at what price the most trading occurred. The goal is to find support and resistance based on volume. Go to the prediction and measurement tools on the left and select Fixed Range Volume Profile. Click and drag across a price move. You will see a histogram on the side of the chart highlighting the point of control, the price where the most trading happened. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.